Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply for monetization on TikTok app. The first thing you're going to do is open up a TikTok app, and then from here you click on the me icon at the bottom, and then you click on the three dots at the top right corner, and here you're supposed to see the option for the creator 2. Now this is the thing, before you can apply for monetization there are some rules and regulations. Number one, you have to fulfill a strong foundation. You must create high quality content. So you must grow your following and explore monetization options. Like for TikTok Creator Fund, you must meet the requirements of 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And once you are eligible, apply within the app. Your account will be reviewed, and if approved, you start earning based on video performance. Don't forget to apply to the Creator Marketplace. Also, it's another way to make money, to connect with brands for sponsored content opportunity. Then you can also go live. During live streams, viewers can send you virtual gifts which can be converted to real world currency. Then there's also affiliate marketing. Partner with brands to promote their products or services and earn commission on sales. These are ways you can get monetized. You can also create and sell merchandise related to your brand or content. Don't forget to build trust and authenticity. Then you can use TikTok analytics to track your video performance, audience demographics, and content trends to optimize your strategy. You can also use built-in tools for video editing, scheduling, and live streaming. Being a successful TikTok presence takes time and effort, so focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring different monetization opportunities as your following grows. Now, what are the requirements, eligibility requirements? The first one is you must have about 10,000 followers or more, 100,000 authentic views in the last 30 days, and your account must be at least 18 years old. Your account must be in good standing with TikTok's community guidelines. So if you've fulfilled all this, then you can now tap on your profile icon, which was I did earlier, at the bottom. And once you do that, you tap on the three lines at the top, three dots at the top right corner, and then or three lines, and then you see creator tools. And as you can see, there are no creator tools for me because I am not actually I don't even have I only have 26 followers, and you need to have at least 10,000 followers. So once you have up to 10,000 followers, you will see the creator fund. Under the creator fund, under creator next, you will find TikTok Creator Fund. Then under the creator fund option, you will apply. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the creator fund, and then click on apply. TikTok will review your application and notify you of their decision. Now, note this please. Eligibility requirements may change, so always refer to TikTok's official guidelines. Approval is not guaranteed. TikTok evaluates various factors, including video engagement, originality, and adherence to the community guidelines. If approved, you start earning based on your video performance. Consider exploring the TikTok Creator Marketplace for brand deals and sponsored content opportunities.